Here are 7 potential benefits of drinking celery juice for 7 days. Wait till the end of the video to listen to individual response. Hydration. Celery juice is mostly water, which can help keep you hydrated throughout the day, supporting overall bodily functions. Nutrient boost. Celery contains essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium and folate, which can contribute to your daily nutrient intake. Digestive health. Some people report improved digestion and reduced bloating after drinking celery juice, potentially due to its fiber content and ability to promote healthy gut bacteria. Anti-inflammatory properties. Celery contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially benefiting conditions like arthritis or inflammatory bowel diseases. Alkalizing effects. Celery juice is often touted for its alkalizing properties, which some believe can help balance the body's pH levels, although scientific evidence is limited in this regard. Skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in celery juice may contribute to healthier skin by promoting collagen production, reducing inflammation, and protecting against oxidative stress. Weight management. Celery juice is low in calories and can be a nutritious addition to a weight loss or weight management plan, especially when consumed as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Individual response. It's important to note that individual responses to drinking celery juice for 7 days can vary widely. Some people may experience noticeable benefits, while others may not see any significant changes or may even experience adverse effects. As with any dietary change, it's crucial to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or pre-existing health conditions. Additionally, incorporating celery juice into a well-balanced diet rather than relying on it exclusively is generally recommended for optimal health. For more health advice and tips for better knowledge, do follow our page. If you think you gained some knowledge today, like us and share the information with those you care about. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.